today we're going to try something new. We're going to try the motorcycle selfie.
If you're thinking about, let me know. If you're thinking about,
You're going to need a couple of things: a motorcycle and a selfie stick. You're also going to need, if not a closed piece of road, a very quiet piece of road. And you're going to need to have your wits about you. Because what you're going to need to do is ride one-handed and try and balance a selfie stick at the same time. So let's get on and get started and try not to crash. So there are a couple of ways to do this. What I've found, you need to find a way to balance the selfie stick, get the bike in gear and get going. What you need to be sure of is that you've got a strap so you don't lose it. And you also have to be prepared to ditch the camera. Bear in mind that you may destroy a camera doing this. So start off by balancing it across the bars, doing your best to squeeze the clutch in, get it in gear, and get going. Once you're going, once you're moving, grab the stick and try and ride a bit sensibly. Big sweeping movements make it a bit easier. And if you want some corner shots, obviously it's going to look better on a left-hand corner. Than it is on a right. But you should be able to get some pretty spectacular shots of yourself riding off in the distance. Now, of course, stopping is going to be a bit more of a challenge, but with a little bit of practice, you should be able to get some pretty cool angles and get those bangers for Instagram, because we all need those. But of course, like I say, coming to a stop, it probably is actually easier, if you can, to just pop the bike in neutral and come to a stop. And there you have it. Spectacular, hopefully spectacular, selfie shots. Now, a word, I do this in video mode. You can do it in camera mode, but what I find is if you do it in video mode, you can just pause the video in your editing software and extract the shots that you need.